The 5 Laws of Gold. The concept of the 5 Laws of Gold is based on the book, The Richest Man in Babylon, by George S. Clason. This book is a classic in personal finance and wealth-building literature. It uses fictional stories and parables set in ancient Babylon to convey essential financial principles. Here are the 5 Laws of Gold, which illustrate what contributes to the wealth of the rich and the struggles of the poor. 1. Law of Gold Accumulation. Gold cometh gladly and in increasing quantity to any man who will put by not less than 1/10 of his earnings to create an estate for his future and that of his family. This law emphasizes the importance of saving and consistently setting aside a portion of one's income for future investments and financial security. 2. Law of Gold Protection. Gold laboreth diligently and contentedly for the wise owner who finds for it profitable employment, multiplying even as the flocks of the field. This law highlights the need to invest money wisely and make it work for you through sound investments. It encourages making well-informed financial decisions to grow one's wealth over time. 3. Law of Gold Investment. Gold clingeth to the protection of the cautious owner who invests it under the advice of men in its handling. This law emphasizes seeking professional advice and guidance from experienced financial experts when making investments. It stresses the importance of being cautious and informed before committing funds to any venture. 4. Law of Gold Spending. Gold slippeth away from the man who invests it in businesses or purposes with which he is not familiar or which are not approved by those skilled in its keep. This law warns against making impulsive or uninformed financial decisions. It encourages individuals to spend money wisely and avoid risky ventures that they do not understand. 5. Law of Gold Inheritance. Gold flees the man who would force it to impossible earnings or who followed the alluring advice of tricksters and schemers or who trusts it to his own inexperience and romantic desires in investment. This law stresses the importance of being patient and realistic with financial goals. It cautions against chasing get-rich-quick schemes and advises against taking unnecessary risks. The underlying message in The 5 Laws of Gold is that building wealth requires discipline, knowledge, and prudence in managing one's finances. By applying these principles, individuals can take control of their financial future and work towards achieving long-term prosperity. Subscribe now and start mastering your mind today. Thanks for watching.